Frame all cleaned out. Been working on this goddamn frame. Don't worry, truck will be back together a little bit, even the bottom. Clean all the rust out. Put new shit back together. New leaf springs. New spare. These are the old ones. Look at the red sway bar. Rusted out. Rare leaf springs, the old ones. So much rust on them, had to throw them out. So we got some used one, cleaned up the frame some. Gonna respray the frame. Got my used leaf springs, way better condition. Gonna spray those. Got the rear end. Gonna spray that. Got the shocks over there. Gonna spray that. Leaf springs. Gonna take these shots. Got new springs. Got to clean up under here. All this rust caked up. They try to paint over it. Gonna clean all that up. That's all I got left to do. Whole front end is brand new. New front end. New bars. New springs. Got to clean up the front of this. Front of the frame, and then she'll be good to go. Clean truck though, clean ass truck. Clean truck, still brand new, still didn't drive this motherfucker yet. Clean truck. Seats in good condition, leather. Got the Ram logo on the hairbrush. Clean truck, 80,000 miles. Even the headliner, clean. Second gen, baby, second gen. Don't worry.